The journey of a luxury bag begins in quiet pastures, with healthy, well-cared-for cattle. At the factory, cleaned and preserved raw cowhides arrive on pallets, ready for transformation.
Workers meticulously inspect each hide on stainless steel tables to ensure absolute quality before tanning.
A high-precision band knife seamlessly splits the wet hide, separating the premium top-grain leather. Now stabilized and perfectly pale, the clean leather is stacked, ready for its iconic tan dyeing. The stabilized hides are tumbled in large drums with specialized tanning agents, officially transforming the raw skin into durable leather. Essential oils and specialized fats are tumbled into the leather, replacing lost moisture and giving it an incredibly supple feel. Finally, the leather is gently tumbled in large, dry drums. This naturally enhances its texture and brings out a beautiful pebbled grain. The finished leather undergoes rigorous inspection under bright lights. Only the most flawless sections are approved for bag construction. A heated mechanical creaser traces precise fold lines. Precision pneumatic presses meticulously secure the polished metallic hardware, including the iconic front clasps and protective base feet. The nearly completed bag is placed on a heated forming block, where precision steam gently shapes the leather into its final iconic form. Every stitched seam, painted edge, and piece of hardware is rigorously examined. The luxury bag is now structurally flawless and complete.
The flawless bag is carefully slipped into a soft, breathable cotton dust bag, ensuring its delicate surface remains perfectly protected from scratches. Premium, acid-free tissue paper is meticulously layered inside the heavy box. This provides a soft, protective cushion against any movement during transit. The protected bag is perfectly nestled into the center of the box, completing its transformation from raw industrial hide to a highly coveted masterpiece. The packaged luxuries passes over an industrial RFID scanner. This instantly registers the bag's unique digital signature into the global inventory system.
For safe international transport, the pristine luxury box is carefully packed inside a heavy-duty, impact-resistant corrugated shipping carton.